For a normal conception, we all know that we need a normal semen count of 15 to 20 million. But is pregnancy possible with a sperm count of less than 2 million? Yes, it is possible with a wonderful technique of ICSI, intracytoplasmic sperm injection. We can select morphologically normal sperms and inject into the eggs of the female partner with a very good success rate.
Hadian lai brai bo wei ne ke pulet jong katanat pulet ke jela Meghalaya Bah Gabriel ke Iangrai ulas akem hi pulet lolor ke Kynnoh bo yedan keti haka kambam sap haka bedai haka kam tiat kali haka tanat pulet haka khat sau terek urampang arhajar arpulai ke yang syari ke jamin yang ne he pulet Maria yo jamin ne yang syari ke bahayang bahasam ke lahir sega bindi jong ke Shillong District Jail ban ishayu ndai tang maremi shabar ke kerdop jong yang bindi yau Bah Gabriel ke Iangrai la shim tipat bagi pulet jong shnat CID ban tokit shushu yu halor ke Kynnoh persyayu Bah Gabriel ke Iangrai ulah syakam hak artrik nai wieng kasnam arhajar arpuar Ubala sya Kynnoh budan ketia ki kambam sab akabedai bat gejing pentrai akan National Emergency Response System hasadar police station bat akabatia di arp kandai trigi kali jong ketenat pulet hagapor Bah Iangrai udang bat akakam komu Assistant Inspector General of Police Hagani kesengi bula yo jamin nagi yang syari kat ba udang syatan nagi pulet jong ketenat CID Bah Gabriel Iangrai ulah persyangru ban keren cikinong patai kubor hakaba ulah Kynnoh ba gejing syakem jong kedai namar jingiasylla ki pulet high level bat kat tu kedengut ki he spah
of my rights as an accused against a person officials involved. My family members has been made a scapegoat and unduly fabricated in a case by the police. Further, all the IOs of the cases registered against me are mostly non-indigenous. Further, prior to my joining as Commandant SF-10 on being transferred from the post of AIGA, a substitute commandant has already been placed in my very same chamber in a very schematic way. My appeal to the high-level khaki men to please stop harassing my family members. I am willing to sacrifice my life for my family and not scared of any attempt of anyone to plot similar modules operandi of like that of late Full Moon Dhar, late Chesterfield Thankiu, late PG Marbanyang, and a host of other gory stories which the police department are hiding, which are still mystery, for which true answer are yet to be revealed. I am innocent in whatever cases registered against me until proven guilty by a competent court of law. My hand is clean and I have no stain of blood, and I'm of any innocent in my hands. I have full faith in the judicial system of the land and shall continue to fight for justice for my rights till the last breath of my life. Further, during my police custody, my human right has been violated, for which appropriate complaint has been made by me to the appropriate forum. My fundamental rights during police custody with police has been violated, and the formal complaint has been already lodged to the honorable court through proper channel. And further, there is lot of skeletons in the police department. I am a scapegoat being made. Now you'll just see the police are already here to arrest me, and so that I won't speak anything. Now I'm just giving my statement. I have so many things and so many RTIs I have filed from here which are yet to be revealed, and these will expose. And there is an imminent threat to my life and to my family. And this is highly political, all the highly political khaki vendetta, coupled with there's some media house which have been sponsored by some political parties which are doing. And then first and foremost, let me tell you how it started. It started with inquiry. You all know it came out in the newspaper. It started with inquiry, and during the inquiry, what happened? Even prior to the inquiry being completed, because law has to take its own course, they're scared that I might tamper with evidence. Who am I to tamper with all the high-level political people? I cannot tamper anything. They feel, because you see the government The government official have to go through certain procedures, rules. They're going slowly, step by step. But what happened? They expose it, leak it out. Because why? They're afraid that I might be free. No one will be able to. So that they put me on constant duress. How many months? It started from August last year. My rights have been, my SC/ST right also has been violated. I've been treated like, by the present incumbent DGP. I've been treated like a Harijan. That will reveal later how. I have so many things to tell, but now this much I want to tell. But I appeal to you all that this is a highly political, high-level political vendetta against me. I see, as my tenure as AIGA for 3.5 years, not even one secret information is got leaked out of the press to the press. Have you ever been privy? Tell me, press people, you are the press, have you got any information? Any information, anything I give is to press release, written press release. I have never leaked out. Official Secret Act has never been leaked out. But how does that my inquiry report, which is not yet completed, even prior to its completion, and my statement not recorded, my statement also not recorded, already leaked out. And then how they have treated me. I was on medical leave because I was not well. Even now also I'm not well. At that time they forced me to they asked me to come for the to record my statement. How will I go and record my statement when I'm not well? So I wrote to them. The moment I joined on the 12th of September, they recorded formality, everything, already exposed to the world. Is that fair? Everything, the origin of all these scams, so-called scams, which they said I'm involved, is only fabricated because there are so many people who are scared, and I have been so efficient that they feel, they be above me. There are 5 more layers, senior officer. They feel that most of them, they do not have work anymore. I'm doing on the old regime. So what is this? If it's just harassment, and my health, as you all know, I'm not a very healthy person. Even in spite of that, also they have what they have done. They've put me on constant duress now, only 1 year. Expect to me how? I have an ailing mother who's 74 years. She is a cancer survivor. She has just 20% vision, and then she has no one. I don't have any. I'm single, and my mother's house was raided. My quarter has been raided. My mother's land has been raided. My brother's house has been raided. Everyone attacked, and everyone understand. And misuse of artificial intelligence that we have. The misuse of artificial intelligence. Whatever conversation is being tapped. I asked an RTI on that. I'm not getting. Even your phone is tapped. So there's no freedom at all. I am a policeman. I am still a policeman. Whatever pressure they have put to me, see, I still have faith in the judiciary and no one else. But my life, my family member's life is at stake. And I will tell you, as a local, I have given my best. I'm a Kasi officer who sit in that chair, very young, it's too junior for so many people to sit in that AIGA chair. Because they can't see. During my time, so much things are happening. People are getting, the department is getting, and then envy, and then I don't belong to a particular group A, B or C. I just know my work and what I'm supposed to do. What orders I get, I do. Fine, I'm only human. I might err somewhere, but why are they crucifying me like this? What about the other people? Many cases that is, there is a particular case which is above 20 years, in which name of prominent people, some have retired, some are on the verge of retiring, but they'll never come and stand like this to come and arrest. Yeah, this is what these people standing here ready to arrest. In the CIDPS only they have, and they don't dare. And there are so many skeletons, scams, ACB. You talk about ACB, anti-corruption. I am the only corrupted person. Fine. If I am corrupt, let the law decide. I have full faith in the law, and I will, I don't mind to be hanged also if it's my constitution. But I will not allow anyone to, why? On the 2nd of November, the very first thing when I came to realize that they're going to raid my house. I have to hide. Because I'm scared that might do the same Cherister episode. Because the mastermind are the same. The mastermind. Understand? You might not shoot, I might not shoot, but the mastermind behind. And even these so-called people who are recording from the police, the loyal policemen, the very loyal policemen, they also are, under duress. They don't want to do. They tell me in private, service but what to do is duty. I said, okay, I understand, my friends. It's your duty. You do your duty. For my rights, I will fight. If I have to die, I will die. But please do not touch my family. Do not harass my family. I have to have only family and nothing else. And when I have made, I don't have a mansion anywhere. Whatever I don't even have a house. I have land, and I am staying with my mother. I'm staying in my quarter. I'm single. I have worked for 20 years. I don't have. My total salary will come how much? They are alleging this appropriate. Please check the affidavits filed by the many so-called people contesting elections. They have what? Have you ever exercised CID, ACB? Have you done? You have not done. Why keep with me? What did I do? Because I do my work sincerely. This is the result. 274 cases of people in the police were pending compassionate jobs have not been done by various people during my tenure. 274 people after committing with the after I came. After queries cleared, got 274 families of the policemen have been able to get, compassionate employment. And then 69 families of those people who died to lay down their lives have got special family pension during my time. And this is what I get the result. I go to office at 10, I come at 8. I don't have a family life, no social life. And this is what I get. You expect me to get this? I am a victim of a very high level conspiracy beyond my mind. And I don't know which political party, which political agent, or which terrorist agent. And there are many people doubting my medals. I got without any stain of blood on my medal. It is my sheer hard work that I have got those medals and nothing. And then there are many people who are wearing their chest very high, but with stain of blood, innocent blood in them, and rewarded. And so many inquiries happen. What happened at Chesterfield till now? Have you got the answer? You got who's the mastermind? You got everything. PJ Marbanyang, you got, and many others, and many innocent people who've been caught, shot and shown, got medals. You put medals here. We have a lot of good policemen who are still very good, but always under duress because they cannot butter. They don't belong to this, and especially the highway, which is a source of lifeline. This is where I am a victim of. Why? Because under my signature, many things have happened. Many people have got letters which they don't want. And now because in a jail we have access to newspaper which you all write. There is a question about some high-level people who even the Honorable High Court has asked the credibility. And now, me, what did I do? It's all material. They want to torture me, put me inside. What else you want from me? What will I do? I cannot tamper any evidence now. I am just an ordinary man. I don't even know how to drive. I don't know how to do anything. I have to go by taxi now. Everything, my livelihood has been affected. They've seized my account. They freeze my account. Whatever property I have, because it's in my name. I didn't hide. I never hide it like anyone else. They hide that they don't have property to declare. It's in my name. Why? Because I bought it. I have been a hardworking person right from the day I have not joined service. And there is one more scam, very big scam, which just scared off, which if I open my mouth, but for fear of my life, of myself and my family, that is my weapon which I'm holding. If I open that scam, the entire, whoever is responsible will, but my life is under threat. My family's life is not threat. They have attacked my family. They have done everything to my family. You know that. And I am alive just because of my family. I'm single. If I die now, no problem. They can shoot from me. They can use sniper from me. They can use from anywhere. They have the power. They have everything. I don't have that. I'm just ordinary. I have only a pen, and you must be knowing from the jail itself. I've been writing a lot of letters. I've completed 3 reams of letters in a period of 102 days. 102 days. Various letters I have written, and now these people have come. They will arrest me now because they are under duress, and I am a victim of a high-level khaki vendetta politics. I am willing to cooperate. I have been cooperating with everyone, and I will be cooperating till the last breath of my life, and I will come out clean. And then I have to leave some secret for myself also. Otherwise, you must have tomorrow next year. Gabriel K. Iangrai, no more dead, shot, because he carried what? He carried a pen, not a knife, a pen. Huh? Huh? I want, please. I don't want. Tell me like, what are you arresting me for?
Yes, one more force
Okay, fine. Yes, fine. Yeah.
One more force.
Okay. Then how many cases now?
All two.
No. Now how many?
Yeah,
Which
only
is
one
it?
case. Only one.
You are arresting me one now.
Only one.
Okay. What do you want to do? Tell me.
You have to come with us.
I'm cooperating.
Okay, thank you.
I'm cooperating. They are there to witness. I am not running anywhere. Nor I have even whatever. See, I have 120 days. 102 days. I'm here. I am here. I am here. I have cooperated everything, and I will always do law. Whatever is legal, I am there. But nothing illegal should be done. If my rights violated, that's the only thing. What do you want to do now? Where are you going now?
Yes. This is Eddie's anti-corruption cases.
Oh, it's okay. Yeah, let's go. That's okay.
You can take your lawyer also, no problem.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
One more thing I want to tell you. Even for my cases, they would have registered. They have been hiding. Only through the medium of RTI, I came to know that what other cases registered against me. Even when we seek information, because as a citizen of India, you deserve to know. There are certain provisions which you need to know. I was kept in the dark. Some cases registered already from the way of August, when we get asked nothing information. But it's only they're using it as a tool. As and when I get bail, as and when I get bail, so that so today is the example. A perfect example of vendetta. Thank you very much.